Thank you, Hindi team. Thank you, Sahani sir. Now we are moving to today's English session. Before beginning the session, we will have a silent prayer. Good evening and welcome everyone for today's session. Today is our 1832nd day of continuous webinar. Thank you all the participants for joining with us. And today's our guest is Dr. Mashhood. He has taken classes several times in our forum. This is the fourth part of his previous class. And he's a retired medical officer in Ayush Department Homeopathy in Kerala. And he has written 2 books. He has 37 years of experience and he's doing many experiments and research in homeopathy. And I'm welcoming Dr. Mashhood for today's session. You are welcome, sir.
Hello.
And the screen
respected coordinators of IFPH, my beloved teachers and my friends. Good evening and good afternoon to all. With my prayers, I am entering to my speech. This is the fourth part of my class regarding my experiments with some plants with our homeopathic medicines. Today, I am showing very typical some observations found during the years from 2002 up to yesterday. This is a very important fact. One, that is, I started my experiments at 2002, and most of the pictures which I am showing here is from 2006, 7, and 2024, yesterday, last 25th, including. I am audible? Yeah. No, hello?
My screen is
visible. Screen. Visible.
Not hearing.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Can you please share the pictures, please? Only sharing is only the pictures are first. We may please share.
Can you see the? Okay.
You can see this is the first one.
Yeah.
See, you can see here a P, that is long yard bean. That is P, our small Malayalam pyre, long P. This is the best first one I am going to say about this with medicines. See the length of that one. This is the plant only given silica, with an experimental plant. After that, this plant revived. First, I want to say that what is about what is happening when the medicine given. First, then what happens to then that everything I will say later on. Then the second picture, please speedily change the picture, doctor, because no time. About 60 pictures are there. See, this is a plant which is a chili plant which I showed in the earlier classes. That is the antimony, crude antimony, given plant. See the twigs, it is very stout and these, but more flowers and more fruits. These more flowers and fruits are the most important of this antimony. That classes, elder class, some other persons are also told you that this antimony is the most important one for this flowering. Here, the thickness and the stoutness is very much marked because of the crudeness, crude antimony. So the next picture. Next is the same one, which is another picture. Next one. Next one, doctor. This is what I want to say, that this is a flower. What it is happened is, it is a pea plant with the Cilicia vernum. Then this is even a very little opening is not there. This flower not bloomed. That is the importance. This type of certain symptoms, certain findings are all included in this class. This pea flower is not bloomed, but a very good pea is obtained. That is what I want to say. This is because only the flourish portion moved at the time when the full ripened, full grown bud, but it is not bloomed. I think that it is the border. See the border of that small, big flower. The flower was very big and beautiful and healthy. Likewise, the mother plant. But the Cilicia applied plant, see the border cannot bloomed. It is not opened. That is the importance of this plant which I observed. This is several times. After 4 years, also again I will show the pictures. This picture included in here. This is the importance which I found. Actually, the flower is the pea plants are pisum sativa, everything is this is a hermaphrodite. Hermaphrodite, you know, both male and female appendages are in the same plant. So the fertilization takes place automatically. There is no need of an insect or other external activity or mechanism for this fertilization. Automatically the fertilization have occurred, and also the flower is completely the seed, the embryo grown, and a very good pea I got. The next picture. This is the original picture. See the flower is still there. From about 7 or 6 weeks, 40 or 50 days, the same pea was there. At the end, there is this remnant of this flower is there, and it is growing and it is moving forward. It is forwarding, and that last the tip of the pea was little bit round and thick, like a beak of the of a bird, but a bird. That was the only difference. But the flower was very good. See that what is the beauty and what is the healthiness of that plant you observe. Cilicia is this type of green, dark green we get, especially one potency. This is a very typical pea plant which I observed another time. Another one is it was repeated several times in my observation. This is the observation. See the seed which is soaked with Cilicia vernum overnight, and it is sowed, and several so many. It is not one. So many. It is the picture is one, and see the first day. 60% of the seeds shows this type of this difference. That the first leaf, the cotyledon leaf, becomes curled and rough. That is roughness, curling and roughness. The first leaf, see the first leaf also showed this curling. That is Cilicia. You remember this curling? It is also in some other medicines also I saw this type of curling. That is pulsatilla. Regarding this complementation, what is pulsatilla is Cilicia is the chronic. So pulsatilla also showed this type of curling in some other chili plants. This is seed. The next one, show please. Next slide. Here also you see the flowers. The flower which is not bloomed, but I got the good, very healthy pea. Next one. This is this much itself. Next one, see the leaf. This leaf is only sugar. Fourth onwards, that is the fourth day onwards, after supplying sugar, which I was done, it is like a succus of sugar. Sugar means that is a sugar of globule, sugar globule. They are here the sugar, not sugar, our globule. This is punched out like depth, it is noticed. The leaf, there is punched out deepness. That is a punched out The picture is thing. I think this picture is 8th picture. Is the 8th picture. See, sugar punched out like deep impression is on the 4th leaves onwards. 4th leaves onwards. That is first leaf, second leaf was avoided, but at the 4th leaf onwards, this type of curling and the deep impression found. It is sugar globules. The next, doctor, next. The Silesia vernum given medicine plant, that is P. It is several times this was observed that the 5th leaves onwards, an yellow white spots, small spots, and shrunken venules. Shrunken venules. These shrunken venules are also repeated several times. Silesia. The next one, Silesia vernum. See the 3 leaves, both leaf shows. In the 10th, that is 12/8/2006, this experiment, this is observed. The sugar leaflet 4 in number. The same sugar-given plant showed 4 leaflets. 4 leaflets and 1 cutting for the Silesia. The Silesia applied plant showed that sort of cutting. See the leaf, a small cutting. This is also repeated in chili plants several times. That you can see from the first leaves onwards a small cutting. That is a big angle section there is. It is not usually seen. Sometimes it is maybe usual, but in medicines it is 60 or 70% of leaves will show these type of changes. That is the importance. The next one, next picture, please. This is the microscopic picture of our pea. That is seeds, pea seeds used with this solution prepared, and I showed several crystals observed from microscopic study. This is pea. Normal P, that is only a small normal P. See the slide, which is very important, that these type of long straight, which is are filaments. These flints, they are very important. That is what I want to say. That why this small p is green gram is more important for liver and so many diseases. Because I think the presence of these sort of crystals, which are very much much helping the serum, I think. For baptisia, aconite, that type of plants are also presented this type of splints more. That is important. This may be due to proteinaceous, but it is something watery, not so crystalline, but it is splints. Next one. This is several very important one study, that is so in 12/3/2005 this experiment was done. That is the P, so many P with a 10, 20, 30 pellets of Serratia vernum, borax 10m, then 200 boracic acid, everything. These medicines are taken. Serratia vernum, borax 10m, 200 borax, then boracic acid 200. With these small P in a very small cup and so many P are selected, and it is soaked with some days, and it was sown. Then the leaves are seen. See the every plant which is Calcarea, Silesia, everything will not show this type of green, but the borax 10m, these two plants only showed this type of black dead area. This is the one which I told you in the earlier classes, that boron is a very important medicine for the growth, but it is, if it is excess, then it will show a type of half moon lesion. Half moon lesion. That is very important for boron excess. Here the boron excess is what is happened in the 10m potency. Not 200 boracic acid, also 200 will not show anything. But in the seeds, when it is germinated, first cotyledon leaves, first leaf, don't is the cotyledon, but the leaves on the edge. This is the excretory area. When we see the plants and these leaves, we can see a small drop which is in the morning on the edge of the leaf. Because it is because of the excretion of the small drops. That way, in that lake, the excretory part is in the end of this leaf and aqueous because of the excess of boron and impotency. This is what I want to say. Next, this is the small spots. This round area is made because of my pencil drawing. These small spots is the very important. This is what is happened in these places. That is on the small spots are yellow round spots curled disease. This is the diseased portion. This is a type of disease which is called. Further use, first Silesia vannam used and see this. Hello. Yes, see sort of this sort of small spots. The spots are minimized in number and removed when Silesia further used. A second dose after 2 weeks, he removed this yellow color and the spots. That may be this because there is some sort of fungal or infection, I think. First it is occurred, but it is removed by the second dose. When further used, these leaves known more darker also. Leaves more darker as usual. Silesia. Plant more important. See there is a important one, that is first Kalimur given. That time this type of infestation occurred. Then second 1988 2004 borax 200 applied. What is this borax 200 on 23/8 after 2 or 3 days 8/200 borax applied. Then again this will not change, no change. But on 4/9 see about 2 weeks Silesia 200 applied and observation. This observation was the most important, that after Silesia applied, this removal of this plant of these spots appeared, and because here it is very intensifies this result of my observation. It is a very great important one that I was in a very separate paper. It was done. It was done. So many papers are there. It is only paper which it is very no time that I will say if time I will say the history of this letter. This picture is very important, but because these Silesia, when I studied this boron, there is boron excess, it will show and deposit some sort of this lesion. That is definite, but it was not really boron itself can do this. The plant cannot do. In higher potency, it is helpless. But if Silesia give, then it will intensify the action. That is very much important because of the I selected this picture. This is the lesion which is important because by this time I was confirmed that this is Silesia. In the first day also I showed some pictures in the money plant in an Onam. Likewise, this about 14 or 15 years back in my clinic. Then I was no time, at that time I was no job. And in an Onam festival, I closed my room, and after that I opened and I came to saw this type of lesion. It was there. That picture I showed in the old classes, and the next class if I will show the picture. That is also because of the boron. That boron, but that is not, I was confirmed that is boron itself, but in homeopathic dose, this borax is not at all, borax 200 is not at all helpful for this type of lesion. But how this type of lesion is experimented or is was deposited or it is demonstrated, it is shown because of the Silesia. That is the assimilatory power of this Silesia is the most important factor here. That is why I showed this picture. Next one, doctor. Same one. It is enlarged, round spots, small spots, which is the important one. Next, that is again the spotted plains, the sulfur, liquid potency, let's say solution, this natrum everything removed that spots in other plants, See, natrum solution 1 sulfur 200 liquid drops, pellets, liquid drops and pellets used. But it is after that natrum is the most important factor that I found later on. It is not sulfur, because of this natrum it removed. Then next one, It is very important. See the normal area of the picture you can see next, not next, before that. Doctor, before picture, yes, this picture. Please may little be enlarged. So many persons. If you can see the picture, anybody, please say the normal leaves. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 rows is up to 3 rows are the normal level. Then it is abnormal. What happens? The solution after medication, the plant becomes, the leaves becomes, the shoot become lengthy, and the plants leaf apart. That happened. This is the importance. Showed growth change. Black dead spots. Dark green leaves. See, lively. That is 16. Here, very important, calcarea carb is the medicine. Like carbon, calcarea carb, and what is this calcium hydroxide, that is Chunambu, Malayalam. That was the one that also shows this type of, see the calcarea carb 200 and a very hard dilution of this calcarea, calcium hydroxide also shows this type of elongation. The similar one. I saw this. This is also 4 or 5 times I observed in several plants. This is a chili plant. This is the normal area. The plant is rest, no medicine. After that, the medication, the elongation occurred suddenly for 2, 3 or days, 4 days only. Very watering and a very healthy atmosphere circumstance. Then the plant will show very good results very earlier. Calcarea 230 also, but no other signs or yield disease, but it is elongated and soft tissue. This tissue, shoot is very sharp and soft. The next one is antingrude. The first plant which I showed you, the antingrude plant. This is antingrude, 3 to 4 gram for 25-inch chili. This is a big chili for 3 to 4 gram given for 2 months time interval. And then see the growth good. Everything is very much noticed, very much good, flourish. Fruits are also there, everything good. But some insects on 23/9, not a 6. That is, after 2 months, some insects came and see the small chili little fruits. They attacked the fruits, and this is a small deep wound there. This is what is this type of nose. Then the plant grows. Then the fruit grows like this nose. Several plants. In the first picture also I showed you this type of stoutness of the antimony. Comparatively, then flower itself change noticed. After this application of this, what happened is after this 200 of these same solutions sprayed on leaves. After that, this insect came and this type of condition is very much deposited. It is because I think that after crude medicine, 200 application on the leaf may showed or a excretion of some other types of that is insects attracting substances. That is aromatic or something which is very much sweeter for that insects. That is the importance. So the supply of the leaf feed or the spraying is not a healthy one. It's also a troublesome one in some cases. But here the study is more important. It deserves some importance that high potency and low potency repeatedly, and after that, before and after, I done so many things, so many cases with the fertilizer and low medicine. This is was my intention, but only this plant showed this type of attracting insects that may be due to the some stagnant or some formulations on the leaves after that same medicine in the higher potency spray. This is an assumption. The next one, comparative study of fertilizer and Silesia. This is a very deep study which I have done, very great, several papers are there. This is the only one which I want to show these, you can see, I think, cannot see. See the fertilizer only, then the Silesia one only, 6x only, then fertilizer and Silesia, fertilizer with the globules, Silesia with the globules, Silesia only. These are the set of, it is a set of study, and the growth and everything is watched, and it is completely noticed. It is a very serious study. You know, various, I saw these Silesia as particular and typical to the plants. If I showed this military or some other way, these things showed in a very remarkable manner. Then this sector, this is the lung. It is very important. This is 1.5 width centimeter. Everything in centimeter. 28.5 centimeter. It is 28 centimeter. See the 15.5. Silesia 6x and 1M. Here difference is some curling is presented with the Silesia 1M, but curling is also avoided in the case of 6x. 2.5 globules also good buds are present in 6x very earlier. But here the Saccharum lactis which is present in the 6x potency showed a little play, that is dark green, not dark green, no curling, leaf is diseased, no leafy disease, then good buds are present. These are all the things. All regards length also, this is four branches. No disease at all in 6x. That is very important factor which is observed in Saccharum lactis. Is a very important one. That is regarding the plants, it is not it is a foreign sugar of milk. It is not a normal one. That may be the thing. See the next one. It is very elaborated study which is present in a very great manner. And if time occurs, gives in the later classes, my series of these experiments may continue, and I will show this in a detailed manner. Okay, thank you. Next one, next picture. See, it is a very wonderful one. That is why I selected this. This is you can see this very, but for my remembrance. So my memory, this picture is very important. 31, 19, note, sorry, yes, note 7, 2 note 7. It is a very earlier. And this type of experiment, I was forgotten, and the pictures are also lost in so many times, which I revived in the mobile, and it was furnished, and again renamed, again it is changed, then memory card is taken out, sometimes it may be lost, sometimes it may not open in the my computer. Computer also several times it is damaged, and so many data are lost. Even then, this this picture is there. That is the calyx of Callimore to study. This yellow calyx also becomes yellow. That is Callimore. I told you several days before that the permanency of the yellowness or become orange, no red occurred or attained by the fruits which I gave these Silesia and Callimore. Here also there is a very important factor that Silesia allowed for this Callimore, not only Callimore 6x. Then Saccharum lactis do not do. Natrum sulfur doesn't. Natrum mur also no. I observed. Califos also no. Calimur only. Califos, if we give the plants, Califos will not give like this potassium phosphate of the fertilizer. The plants will not take some of these. See, in my case, this is a troublesome for the plants. Potassium in 6,6 even. That is what is want to say. This Callimore old yellow calyx 31 note 7. Next one. This is also very important. In the earlier, I told you that there is a change in the plants that is occurred because of the pulsatilla. These grow a very great number of plants which were supplied pulsatilla because of knowing the hormone effect of this pulsatilla is applicable for the plants. Several chili plants which I observed, and after that, these pulsatilla plants showed this frost-like appearance of the leaf. Frost. This is the what is what I observed. This frost-like appearance. That is 20. Natrum mur, the spike-like hairy appendages are removed with natramor. Here the natramor is the most important hero. In the earlier round also I told you that is natramor. It is not this sulfur, but it is natramor that removed this. You can. This is also very much several times it was observed. In frost like appearance in any plant, you apply natramor 200, it will definitely leave. Then another medicine also I am coming to say, this is natramor. This frostbite hairy appendages on the leaves is very important. It may be also deposited by Silesia. If you give the Silesia in a very elaborate manner or in a very clean manner, the first appearance, some leaves may show this hairy leaves. That is the leaves in chili plants shows very small hairy. It is not an unusual one. Unusually, but the plant's leaves shows very much hairy in a very small plants, even in the chili child plants itself. That is but the grown plants will not show in child plants. Then we give this natramor. It will remove definitely that frost-like small appendages. Next one, doctor. This is a half yellow picture which is observed by this one. Some Silesia, that is very important. I so many things I want to say. That is why I signed this here. See, the sign is only the marking for the confirmation and for further study. Yellowness, half yellow only. The next one, Silesia. Next one is the old one. Then the old repetition of the flower, but it was in 2.9. That is sorry, 2.9. That was in the 2.7. This is in 2.7.9. Repetition of this plant, and I want to say that one day I returned this from I have to go from my house to somewhere other house, and there I lived in about 2 or 3 years without coming this place. After that, my pea plants are everything is lost. But even then I came here, I saw a pea plant is there. This is very astonishing, and I was so much what it is. God give me that pea plant. And again, I want to say that it is very important that pea plant showed a flower that was also showed this type of bloomness. It doesn't also not bloom, but the side of that, how it happened. The seeds may be hidden somewhere else in the farm, in my near my house, and maybe in the soil that was there. And after that, next rain time, it was grown. And after 1 year, I came back to that place. I saw this plant is there. That was a very important one. I don't want to say these type of things more. Okay, next. See, this is very important. That you see the cucumber. Frost-like appearance, pulsatilla. For this is frost-like repeated. This green white later with tuberculinum, not natramor now it's acted, but tuberculinum was very effective, very confirmative, and I am indebted to this medicine tuberculinum to some other doctor, I don't know, somewhere, someday, sometimes, I don't know whoever may, anybody told me what is about, not Latif doctor, now Latif sir, tuberculinum, I got an information about this tuberculinum, 200, which will help for removing this sort of miliary eruptions on the plants. That is very, very important information. And one day a class from any person who asked me, what is the medicine doctor for these type of infestations of the plants? I told her that tuberculinum is the medicine. But at the same time also I told not take time to say that tuberculinum was not my invention, my invention. It was it is natramor and tuberculinum is definitely it will do. If you say, but it is tuberculinum, you know, several times. If you use it and misuse it, we may do some troublesome acts. That is tuberculinum. Tuberculinum definitely should remove this type of miliary rashes or some frost-like appearance of the plants for beautiful look. See here, what happened is the pulsatilla when given it was shown very great, good, very elongation and growth is more marked. Everything. See the leaves on the in the next one. See the growth length top. the same plant. No leaves. One leaf, second leaf, third leaf. So the growth was very fast and fleshy. Next one. See, no. Sorry. The next one. Next one is not that one. See, the tip very much great. The plants is in adherence. The adherence of the one is the most marked in this. This is the P, a normal P. This is a separated special one. See the white, half white. Other one is some dark brown color. Then a small red piece here. It is FP which I experimented to see the result. Is there any change? I got some little experiment, little change. But at that time I was not 209 and 210. I was in Idiki district. I got a job as medical officer and went there. Till then, only the experiments are very much almost very much compacting. The compactness of my experiments lost and was not get any time. After that, I was this 209. This is the last one, but I didn't get much information. But one set of result, it is very big P. I got big P. There is 1.5 centimeter length P is there. See, one P, one seed is 1.5 centimeter. Can you believe? I was kept it for about 4 or 5 years here. After coming from Idiki to Trivandrum, there is there. That is there. Still, next class, if I will show you. See the next one. This is pulsatilla given plant. The first 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 leaves are healthier. Then pulsatilla applied. Suddenly the shoot, the leaves curling appearance. Then again, for a long time, there is raining or some other reason. See, the plant is grown normal. Again, I pulsatilla applied. Again, it's curled. It's a very important, isn't it? It is a very important experiment. 23rd onwards, this is grown like this. This is healthy, then called disease, then again healthy, then disease. That is the important. That is the only thing. That is what I want to show. So that homeopathy medicines are never becomes dangerous to plants, even in low potency or high potency. Low potency is very important, which I know. But if it is a remedy, then it is a medicine. It will not do any harm. That is the importance for these plant cells. That is what I want to show. This type of experiment. See. Next, these plant when we give medicine, that's self-centering. Then it will go alternately to the, even if after a rain, everything will be washed off. Then again we give. Some medicines, again about some medicines may do likewise. These plant, see this plant. After this seed, there is seeds and the seeds sowed, the second generation. Sometimes that plant may not be grown, germinate. That is one. Second one, that germinated, even germinate, that show this curling. That I was observed. But the present situation, it withstands that change. That is the most important one. Another one which I observed. These are all the things. Next one, the bitter cucumber. This is the bitter cucumber. These small spores are very important. See, measly first appearance, frost appearance here. Here also top, good, elder, but shows this type of these small eruptions. Next one, there is no time, doctor, speed up. This is a shear lesion which is occurred in the later plants of this Kalimur. I showed you these plants only becomes, that is chili plants, new also, blue plants, this is the mother plant, blue plants. Then it is grew, when medicine applied, then it is becomes green only, green plants only. Then these green plants, when ripen, it is becomes yellow only, no redness. Then the most important one is the yellow plants never becomes falling from the plant. Never it becomes dries. It goes into this type of lesion. ചീഞ്ഞു പോവുക, decay, it is observed. This is also several times of this Kalimur and silation. That is the lesion. Very important one. Next one, doctor. See the thickness and the gritness, this adherence of this plant or pulsatilla. what everything for your own information that antidarton pulsatilla also gives very good flowering buds become more buds. This is a very important example of that one. This is the pulsatilla. See, but what happened to the leaves and shoot? Very unhealthy shoots, and the leaves are also very unhealthy. But very earlier it become very earlier and earlier. So many buds are there, and buds are very healthy. Flowers are healthy, and the fruits are also healthy. Then what? Pulsatilla. These spots are also there. All plants shows giving thickly adherent. Thickly, yes, adjust adherent. Sorry, yes. Next one. Now, next slide onwards. Next slide, doctor, please. Next slide, doctor. This time it is very slow many time, not so many times. So I am very fast. I am showing. This is the type of fungal infection and study which I started in the earlier days. Was I was not a microscope, no mobile, and also this type of plant studies are all not started. At that time, it was the fungal study, microscopic fungal study. So microscopic fungal study. The carrot juice is here, and some acetylene benzoicum I tried because of this gout and some of the other things where any fungal infection is there or deposits of any crystals. See here, what happened is the fungal this is what's that? Yeah. Then it is 31. Acetylene benzoicum, pepper-like adherent particles are there. See, pepper-like adherent particles are so showed on the fourth day of the solution. It is a very simple study. See, the beetroot juice is 3 days after. See, this type of small, similar width and length, 90% similar small things, which is so these acetylene benzoic this only presenting. This only, no fungal. This is a carrot juice. This beetroot juice. Next one is doctor. Please next one also. It is the same slide. Similar with the same slide in acetylene benzoicum and in beetroot juice. This next, it is small. That is in the 33 milk drops. Small living, moving round bodies like bacilli, suddenly immobile with water drops. Water drops what is after using these water drops, these plants and these small moving bodies are become still. They dies. That type of small microorganisms, because maybe temperature difference, that is microorganisms is okay for bacilli there. Then second day, this fungi mycelium also seen. On the second day, this type of fungi mycelium also seen. This is important because later on I used this for this all the medicines, belladonna, so many medicines are used for this. That was the turning point of my experience. That's why this is also, see the Silescia vannam, this elongated one, it is with this card. This is 34 globule solution plus buttermilk drops. Second day. See, this is on the left it is, and in the right it is globules. This left it is Silescia one. This left is the small one. Only Silescia applied this, showed this type of only cells. The card side in card also has found this type of small. But in the right there is globules. This long elongated size is there. Next one. It is elongated. So this is in 10x magnification. This is 45 magnification. Become large, small portions. That is a small type of appendages, elements, particles in a curd. It is not curd, it is old milk. Next one, doctor. This next one, it is yellow apple chili. That means the lesion. Not at all it is ripened into red, and also it is not at all drying or withered, or it is down from the plant. It is never done. But it is still in a very adherent version, like plastic, it is there in the plant. But in the plant also it is decay, And the decaying first starts in a separate area. This I covered this fruit several times, but even then this fruit is not at all because of insects, I think, but microscopic studies here. See the 5 bands of together, the small organelles of the small cells of this fruit. This calyx sometimes shows yellowness. Earlier I told you. This is 10x magnification. For crystal study, first it was a motivation for crystal study, turning my another turning point to the crystal study. See the crystal, small crystals which is I appeared. I saw from this yellow apple chili first. This is the chili. Apple chili, I named this apple chili. This was blue. Then after experiment, it becomes only green. Then it has become not red, only yellow. See the plants, this is sort of a small fungi, very few in small. Large crystals are there. These are the organelles, small parts of this lesion. No organs or microorganisms or like fungus, maybe fungal mycelia. I am still doubt what happened here. See the next one is the same picture, same similar. Next one. This is also second Naxomica one, another medicine used. What is about the Naxomica? We all are here to know about Naxomica, which is an anti-insect, antibiotic, also anti-insectic, anti-fungal, everything. Naxomica is a very important medicine regarding this because this gastric complaints, everything very high, low dose, high dose, high potency acts in a direct manner. Naxomica. And in insecticides also, pesticides, everything, this Naxomica used in earlier years and can be used. It's a very poisonous one to the legs and spinal poison. So the Naxomica which I used for the small fungal infection, what happened, this so much what I want, I can't see Naxomica. So much important one is this. The next one. See the Naxomica 2 drops, 2/3, 1 gram plus 1 drop. Add 1 drop, 2 drops with Naxomica 30, 2/3 water, 1 gram bottle. Add 1 drop of this, what is called this card, the serum of our thyre, thyre, that is card, buttermilk. 1 drop of buttermilk. See the plant, what is happened. These are all sometimes can be seen as motile organs. This microbacilli, very big. In 10 magnification, you can see like this type of length. There is one. In microscope, you can see about 1/3, sorry, 3/4 length of centimeter. That is 7 millimeter, 6 millimeter length, and width also. Here I magnified almost 5 millimeter, 40, it is not 10, it is 45 magnification. Magnification is 45. Naxomica 30. That means still alive, not dead. They will not do any harm to the Naxomica. That is what is very important. Because in gastric compliance, we are always looking this Naxomica. That will not do any harm to the normal biological factors. That is important. Neurological functions are more regarding these microorganisms in the gut that may be resisting this Naxomica 30. Next one. Doctor, next one. No, so it is not next. This is the calyx which I about the chili plant. This next one. Next. Silesia also. Next. Next, doctor. Again next. Again. Sorry. Before that. Again before. Yes, this one. Yes, this was the Naxomica gut. That picture I told you. This number 30, Naxomica 30. It is so much not responsive. This one because of the gut bacilli also, gut organisms are withstanding and are more favorable. That is what I want to share. Next one. But this is the plant which is transparent and also non-motile green particles are there. The tapioca root and some fungus. This fungus, again, tuberculin 200, when applied, these fungus are completely devoid. And microscopically, it is very clear. These type of small globules and like ferns. This is the ferns. That is the spores of these small fungi. That is only God. But also it is very dead. But in this, it was very furious in the tapioca roots. Next one. Okay, next one, please. Then one slide is showed because it is belladonna. Belladonna, one drop is placed in the bottle and it is one drop for several days. And after that, C124 209, this microscopic study, I saw this type of needle pullu pole. That is what is that pull? These small plants like this grass, like this grass fungus. I observed this belladonna from the belladonna solution. See next doctor, next. See next doctor, next. This is my experimental slides. So many slides are there. See, very clean. And before that, yes, next doctor. Not before, after. Next. Okay, thank you. This one, hydrostrips after 6 months. This is what I want to say. It is a very important one which I earlier also in my classes. One class I showed this picture. Several pictures are there. That is hydrostrip tincture when you placed in a slide and give. If it is so much pollution, there will be it may be a polluter. But if it is kept in our laboratory and in our clinic, it will be there forever, so many times. That's why we are using this hydrous tincture for using dressing, and also it is very important. Also, it is very in the earbuds, ear drops as hydrous. A very important tincture. Some other medicines are also, I told you in the earlier classes, that is pulsatilla and Aspidosperma as this type of fungal resistance. See the same one, hydroxid, second slide after 6 months. After 6 months. 6 months, there is no fungal growth. The slides may be after 7 days, it may be completely decayed or completely it may be polluted with fungal. You cannot see any crystal. Sometimes the crystals may be unaffected by the fungi, some medicines. And it's an important study. It's a very important study. Next one also slide, please, doctor. Next one. Doctor, please, next. Hello? Next also, see, no fungal infection. Next also, there is no fungal infection. Same one. There is also no. Same. Next, doctor. See the slide. We cannot see, you can't see a slide after these 2 or 3 weeks like this. Completely it will be moisture and it will be damaged with fungals in our ordinary temperature and room temperature. But this is hydrostrip. This is the slide. From this slide, we can see next one. See the same one. Here, very less fungi. Hydrostrip old, 6 months older slide. Very little. Slight infection of the fungus. Next one, doctor. Very speedily, please. Speed up, please. Next. This is a plant. See, an combination given plant, homeopathy medicine. There was no flower at all for 2 years. After that, the flower becomes after the medicine. See, next. See, one fruit is there. See, so many fruits. December 202. December. From the October, November started. December 204, this plant is becomes so much fruits. Then next picture. See, December 204, a very good flower is there. Next one. See, they have one great fruitful, very healthy fruit. Next one. Next slide. See, 25, January 25, then February 25. Next one. The plant is still healthy. This is now the next one, doctor, please. See, what a beautiful one now. It's on my near my house. This plant is here. So many blue plants. The next one, the same plant. See the next. It's an older picture. See, this is some crustacea. This water plant and also some chippy crustacea, which I studied in these 2 note 4 times. In water, calcarea given. By it calcarea, you can guess. Next one. Some observations are there. Later classes, it is the same one. See the small crustacea. This is an older picture. Then the money plant is there. This is my experimental plant. Next one, water plant is there inside this water. See the calcium also is very white color. Next one, doctor, please. This is also calcarea carb given. It is grown very fast and becomes no green color. Next. This is an anthurium, very big. Then anti-growth chili, very big anthurium I can see. That is Silesia only, that anthurium. This is anti-growth chili. Very later. That is yesterday, day before yesterday this picture taken. It is the latest study. Anti-growth, again same crystal. Next picture, doctor. Please, next. See the crystal anti-growth. Next. Please, next. Yes, see the long money. This was the before one. Yes, see the picture. Like the clock dial. There is a very important one. This crystal. This is a soluble one, glassy, but it is elongated and included. So many times this antimony and some other things are also. We will get some other plants also. We can see. This is the last one. The next one is the last one. That is the anti-glue. I think that it is very speedy. Even then, I expressed so many points today, which I want to say the history because I saw these things was there in my room. I kept aside and left it, I think, these things in my home and closed my room and gone to my job in Idiki. After 14 years, I came back and saw these things are still here. And the studies are now, even now, I am so much clear of these things. I don't know what it is. These are all the pictures. So many books, papers are there. In later classes, I will explain if time allows. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. As usual, your class is always different from that we have taken. And now it is the time to end up the English session. Anyway, thank you so much, sir. I think your research and our classes will continue again. Thank you for coming and joining with us for the wonderful session. And now, Dr. Ram Parvesh Shah.
So, thank you, Dr. Anjani. Congratulations, Dr. Masood, sir. Very nice, excellent session, research, agro development, homeopathic medicine. Very good research. Very, very thanks, sir. Thank you.
So thank you so much, Dr. Masood, and thank you all the participants joined with us. Now we are ending up 1832nd session, and I'm inviting Dr. Mariamma John. Dr. Danish is there. Okay. I am inviting Dr. Mariamma John for moderating Malayalam session. You are welcome, Doctor, please.